Good morning. We completed our exercise 1.3. Now we learn rational number and their decimal expansions. Revisiting rational numbers and their decimal expansion. These are its most important topics for our understanding. Number 1. The decimal expansion of every number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Any number of decimal expansion of every number is either terminating. Terminating, that means its remainders is 0, our division is completed there, or non-terminating, therefore remainder not becomes 0. Repeating, the number is repeated, occurring again and again, so and on and on, therefore it is called non-terminating repeating. First number, the decimal expansion of every number, either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Either terminating or non-terminating, therefore it is repeating number. Second number, the decimal expansion of every irrational number. Here decimal expansion of every number, here irrational number. Suppose the number is irrational number is not terminating, not repeating. Every irrational number, rational number and irrational number both includes in real number. That these numbers are called real numbers. Only here rational number. Here decimal expansion of every irrational number is non-terminating, non-repeating. Every rational number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. The decimal expansion of every irrational number is non-terminating, non-repeating. Here I write rational number. Every rational number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Irrational numbers decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay. Next, x is equal to t upon q. It's the rational number. Q is not equal to 0. They are rational. Let x is equal to p upon q. If the prime factorization of q, factors of q, prime factors of q is in the form of 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. In the form of 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n, where n and are non-negative integers, then x has terminating decimal expansion. Let x is equal to p upon q be a rational number. If prime factors of q is in the form either 2 raised to n or 5 raised to n or both 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n, then x has terminating decimal expansion. Here I write, suppose n is equal to 0, non-negative integers. I attend 2 raised to 0, therefore it becomes 5 raised to n. M raised to 0, that it becomes 2 raised to n. Both 2 square into 5 cube, it becomes where n and m are non-negative integers, then x has terminating decimal expansion. Next number. Let x is equals to p upon q form. Q is not equals to 0, p are rational number. If the prime factorization of q, is not of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n, other number 2, 5, other than 2 and 5. Not in the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n, where n and m are non-negative integers, then x has a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Here terminating decimal expansion, here non-terminating. Non-terminating becomes repeating decimal expansion. Next number. A rational number of the form p upon q, q being of the form 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n, can be easily converted to an equivalent decimal expansion rational number of the form a upon b, where b is a power of 10. Here, as for example, 5 by 8, we write q as here p is equals to 5, q is equals to 8. I write 5 upon 2q. 2 raised to n is equals to 3. And 5 raised to n is equals to 0, therefore it is here. Only we write 5 upon 2 raised to 3 is equals to, we write in the equivalent form 2 raised to q in 10 power, 2 5s are 10, here 2 raised to 3, then we write 5 raised to 3, 2 5s are 10 cube, complete. Therefore here multiply 5 cube, then it becomes 5 raised to 3 into 4, 5 into 125 upon 5 2s are 10 cube is equals to 5 into 125. 125 5s are 625 upon 1000. We write it in decimal form 0.625 without dividing. Here, suppose we divide 5 by 8, then we get answer 0.625. Now we convert into 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. Here 2 raised to cube. So I completed, it is in the power of 10. B is a power of 10. Here 2 raised to cube. Therefore I multiply it 5 raised to cube, denominator and numerator. Both, therefore our question is as it is. 5 into 5 cube is equals to 125. Here 5 2s are 10, 10 raised to cube. 125 5s are 625 upon 10 cube is equals to 1000. Therefore 0.625. Please note this point for remember, which is calculate for your sum. Easy for calculate your sum. Now, I take some example. We convert it P upon Q form, convert into decimal expansion. Then we decide it is terminating or non-terminating. Suppose it is Q is in the form of 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. Then it is terminating decimal expansion. It is not in 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m, therefore it is not terminating non-terminating repeating decimal example. Here 30 upon 125. We convert this number into decimal expansion form. Then suppose we divide 30 divided by 125. It is so hard. Therefore, here we write into cube form, into expansion form. 125 is equals to 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. Here m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 0. Therefore, 2 becomes into power of 10. Then we multiply 5 raised to cube. 5 to the 10 cube. Multiply here 2 cube. Numerator multiplied by 2 cube. Our question is as it is equals to 30 multiply 2 cube is equals to 8 upon 5 to the 10 cube equals to 38 104 upon 10 cube is equals to 1000. Then it is written as decimal expansion form 0.104. Its decimal expansion is equals to 0.104. We convert this number. Here we say it is terminating number. Because it is in the form of 5 raised to 8, either 5 raised to or 2 raised to or both 5 into 2. And then multiply 2 raised to cube, 2 raised to cube. And simplify this number. Now second number. 7 by 80. It is written as 7 upon factors, prime factors of 80 is equals to 16 5s are 80, 16 is equals to 2 raised to 4. We know 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16 into 5. It is 2 raised to n, 5 raised to n. Here I complete n and m same. Therefore it is becomes power of 10. Multiply. Here this number 7 upon 2 raised to 4, 5 raised to 1. Here we complete 5 raised to 4. Then we multiply this number by 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 4. Here becomes is equal to 7 multiply 5 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 4 multiply 5 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3. It is equals to 5 raised to 4. Equals to 7 into 5 cube is equals to 125 upon 5 to the 10 raised to 4. It is written into 10 power of 10. 7 into 125. 7 5s are 35, 3, 40 and 3, 17, 1, 875. Here, how many decimal digit? 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we write equals to 0.0875. Directly we write 10 fold. Not right here. 10 raised to 4 is equals to 1000. Here we write 0.0875. Now it is written as 10 cube. Therefore 104 return 3 decimal digit. 1, 2, 3 decimal point is here 0.104. Now 14588. Here number is divided by 7. 7 to the 40, 0, 7, 8 is 56, 7 to the 40. Therefore, it's 0, 7, 8 is 56, 2, 7, 4 is 28. And it is written as 5 raised to how many numbers? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Therefore 5 raised to 4. This number is multiplied by into 2 raised to 5 2s are 10, 2 raised to how many power? 4. Here 2 raised to 4. Then we multiply 7 into 2084 into 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16 upon 5 4s are 10 raised to 4. It is multiply of this number is you do this multiplication and then write 10 raised to 4 point in the form of this.